The BrandShield from Spector Co. offers an innovative approach to branding promotional items that will make your logo stand out, literally. When you send us your logo, we start by reviewing the image and reimagine it as a 3D digital brand shield. With this, a flat print version of the design is created on a special metallic material. The printed logo sheet is precisely placed to align with a matching customized metal plate. They are pressed together to form the brand shield shape in 3D with rich color and texture details. Voila! The brand shield has been formed, and now its 3D shape can be seen and felt. It's ready to be applied to one of our Ashbury bags. The brand shield can be stitched in your choice of thread color to complement the logo. The brand shield is now ready to show off your logo and brand in a new dimension. The brand shield is well suited for bags from our Ashbury collection as it is durable, flexible, and remains resilient to daily use. The brand shield is available in 5 different shapes and 6 base colors, all with the metallic touch to make your brand shine. We're always working to apply the brand shield to new products, so take a look at the options online and talk to us to see how we can make your brand stand out. Spector Co., your brand's best friend.